The National Weather Service in Louisville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Harrison County in south-central Indiana, south-central Clark County in south-central Indiana, southeastern Floyd County in south-central Indiana, northwestern Nelson County in central Kentucky, southeastern Meade County in central Kentucky, Jefferson County in central Kentucky, northeastern Hardin County in central Kentucky, Bullitt County in central Kentucky, until 5:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:49 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Corydon to 10 miles southeast of Brandenburg to 14 miles west of Elizabethtown, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Elizabethtown, St. Denis, Pleasure Ridge Park and Valley Station around 5 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Louisville, New Albany, Shively, Audubon Park, Lineview, Parkway Village, Poplar Hills, Newburgh and Oglona around 5:05 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations in the path of these severe thunderstorms include Jeffersonville, Shepherdsville, St. Regis Park, West Bucco, Watterson Park, Woodlawn Park, Seneca Gardens, Strathmore Village, Rolling Fields, Houston Acres, Jeffersontown, St. Matthews, Linden, Middletown, Douglas Hills, Prospect, Hurstbourne, Graymer, Devondale, Windy Hills and Anchorage. A tornado watch remains in effect until 5 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for south-central Indiana and central Kentucky. Intense thunderstorm lines can produce brief tornadoes and widespread significant wind damage. Although it